Let me show you how to erase the codes for all of your remotes and keypad for a Guardian 928 jack shaft opener. And the reason that you might want to do this is in the event that you lost a remote or maybe your remote got stolen, but basically it's to remove access to anyone who you don't want to have access to your garage. First, you're going to open the operator cover. You're going to locate the learn button right here, and you're going to press and hold that until you hear it beep. So I'm pushing now. Now the codes are reset and you can reprogram your remotes and your keypad. If you need instructions on how to reprogram your Guardian keypad, Guardian remote, or the travel limits for your Guardian 928 jack shaft operator, please see the following videos. As always, if you have problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please call us today.